I do think that one of the challenges for future dentistry will be, of course, knowledge within new technology, because a lot of new technology might help us in treating patients. However, it's also important that for the future that the dentists, that they do have medical skills, because we now see that we have more patients with different serious diseases. They still have their teeth. One of my main suggestions is that a quite big or big scale medical teaching in dentistry. Furthermore, also we are living in a global world, means that we also have to have knowledge about different cultures, different people, religion, so we can treat the patient in a proper way. And I do hope that, well, we, from my university in Europe, we are planning to have exchange agreements with the different universities. We do have a lot in Europe, we do have in Africa. I plan and I do hope that we can have an exchange agreement with your university here in Seoul, in Korea, and I look forward to that.
It's completely
separate. In Oslo we do have 2 years in common with the medical students. So they are going in the same classes for the 2 first years. But I do think that maybe for the future that it will extend more. I do think it will be similar if you are going with a medical background and then choose either go for dentistry, ENT, neurology, general practitioners. If you go back 30 years in time, at that time it was almost children and adolescents who needed the dentist. But now they are almost caries free in Europe, and we see that it has changed. Previously the older population, they were not having teeth at all, but they do have now, and so we have seen that change in the society.
Could you please share?
Yeah, it's very important for an academic institutions to have close relationships to other universities, because that brings the research forward. From Oslo we do have quite a big or a lot of different universities all over the world for research purposes. If we also can have exchange programs between students or PhD students, then I do think that will improve the research also, because if you talk together then you can get new knowledge and innovation. Yeah, thank you for